Hello all, welcome to Technostack. In the section of Python, today we are starting with introduction of Python and some formal theories. You can skip to the third lecture to this that we are starting with the programming there. The first two will be totally theory based. So let's start. So introduction to Python. So there are some basic things that you may know about Python. That is, Python first is an open source, that is it is freely available for everyone. It is interpreted language, that is you don't have to compile the code, but your entire program is interpreted line by line. Third thing is it's a high level, that is English like level, general purpose programming language. That is this is very important feature of Python, that is it's a general purpose programming language. That is, you can use it for data science, you can use it for machine learning, you can use it for web development, you can use it for game developing, etc. Then it is easiest to learn and nicest to use. So Python is known for its short and sweet format, for which it is known as easiest language to learn for any beginner, and it is very nicest to use. That is, it doesn't have much of hassle with syntax, so it is nicest to use. It has many features and wide range of library available. That is why also it is known as nicest to use. So in Python, basically there are very few lines of code compared to Java and C, where Java and C has many line of codes. In Python, you just need a few lines of codes or some libraries and some functions. Here we call it methods. Then next thing is conceived in 1980s as a successor of ABC language. Python was created by Guidino von Rossum and was released in 1991. So this was some just basic introduction to Python. You can skip it if you are just interested in learning programming, or that is this coding of Python. Next session, we'll be talking about advantages of Python. So stay tuned for more such content to this series. Stay tuned to Technostack. Please do like, share, and subscribe our content. Thank you.